I'm Tim. Today we're going to do a quick tool review, something that I got for Christmas last year. So stick around and I'll show you what I had and what I'm currently getting. Alright, let's start off. This is what I currently had. I had a Craftsman 10-inch compound miter saw. Picked it up maybe about 15 plus years ago. Used it a lot. It's come in handy, but I figured it was time for an upgrade. Everything still works. Adjustable fences. Even came with a laser guide, which I hardly ever used. But this is great. For when I needed it about 15 years ago, it was reasonably priced. Still working this day. I hope to hand it down to somebody so somebody else can use it. But I got something for Christmas, and I figured it's time for an upgrade. Now, this is what I'm upgrading to. I picked up the DeWalt 12-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw. Picked it up at Home Depot right after Christmas. Got a really good price on it. Couldn't pass it up. Used some Christmas money that the family got me and bought myself a new toy. So let's open this box up and see what we got. Feels like Christmas time, unwrapping a new present. What they provide you with a blade wrench, which also doubles as a screwdriver to help remove the guard out of the way of changing the blade. They give you a material clamp, which is pretty easy to use, and a dust collection bag. I might use this, but I'm probably going to hook it up to my shop vac anyways, help keep on some of the dust in the garage. It has some of the same features as our Craftsman did. Up to a 45-degree bevel to 0. Locking mechanism is in the back. Beacon miter. $60 degrees to 50 degrees. Auto locking on 35.3, 0, 15, 31.6, 35.3 again, 45, and 60. Compound sliding. This is the first time I'm using one of these. An overview of some of our features. Our blade guard. Our operating handle. We've got our locking pin right here. Simply just push down, pull the pin out, and we'll raise our arm up. Changing the blade's pretty simple. Open this up. We unloosen this guy right here with the tool that we are provided. That gives us the ability to raise our guard up. And then we just use the wrench that's also provided to remove the blade. Now we've got a blade lock button right here. Just spin the blade until you find it in the lock position to hold it, and you're able to loosen and tighten your blade. Now our fences are all adjustable. All sides on each side. There's our product clamp right there. So remember how you put it in, and we just do the opposite to get it out. So slide this side guy out of the way. You gotta raise the clamp up. You also have a lock here. Just turn it, pops out. Back in, turn it around. Lock that guy in, put our fence back. So we got a 12-inch blade, 32 teeth that came with it. Slides easy. Our locking knob and a release so we can spin it. Do our miter cuts. It does have a spot to put a wrench conveniently in the back, so hopefully we don't lose it. Because I know about you, but I lose stuff all the time in my shop. Quick little review. I really enjoyed using the saw. Very easy to operate, to move around. I think I'm going to really like working with this in my shop. Now, in no way is DeWalt sponsoring me or am I promoting their tool line, but this is just happened to be the tool that was in my price range at the time, and I picked it up. It's a pretty good tool for what it's worth. And it's probably a good one to take a look at. Now, once again, I'm just upgrading some tools in my shop here, and this is one that we got upgraded. And I think it's gonna come in handy down the line. So I give this one a thumbs up. Alright, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Hope you're subscribed to the channel. If not, hit that subscribe button there so you can see all the latest videos that are coming up. So stick around, see what we got coming up next in our shop, and thanks for watching.